Suicide is the 12th leading cause of death in this country, and recent high-profile incidents are shining a light on the issue.
CBS 2's Aundrea Cline-Thomas explains how 3 numbers will make it easier to get help during a crisis.
And I was like, I just want to jump out of a window. Like, I felt very lost. I felt agitated. I was scared.
Joelle Leon was in a full-blown mental health crisis and called the Suicide Prevention Lifeline.
I just boo-hoo cried and talked through my feelings of failure as a father. I talked about not wanting to be here.
Leon didn't have the 1-800 number memorized, but knew how to find it just in time.
Being able to access that number and have someone on the other line validate my existence was literally life-saving.
Starting July 16th, 988 is a new 3-digit code for suicide prevention and emergency mental health services across the country.
With 988, it's going to be an easy number, a much easier number to remember, and really puts us in a position to help individuals.
Unlike 911, 988 calls will be answered by trained crisis counselors who can link callers to resources. And if necessary, a team of healthcare professionals, not police, will respond in person.
We want to avoid that escalation and make sure that we're not putting law enforcement in that situation where the goal here is help, not handcuffs.
In the tri-state area, staff are being hired and trained for the call centers and mobile crisis teams. New Jersey is preparing for the call volume to increase from 55,000 last year to 83,000 in the first year of the initiative. That's why the state is also expanding access to mental health services.
I liken it to like an urgent care center for individuals who are experiencing a behavioral health crisis.
Leon is now thriving as a speaker and author.
The amount of time that it would take a person to dial those 3 numbers will save lives.
He wants to remove barriers and normalize asking for help. Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.
And if you or someone you know is struggling, help is available 24/7 at the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. The number is 800-273-8255, right there on the screen. We also have resources for help on our website at cbsnewyork.com, and you can go there and click on links and numbers.